Mississauga is one of Ontario's fastest-growing cities, offering a unique blend of urban and suburban living. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to upgrade, buying a home in Mississauga can be a rewarding experience. First, let's talk about why you should buy a home in this vibrant city. Mississauga boasts a thriving economy with numerous job opportunities thanks to major corporations, including many Fortune 500 companies. This provides a stable employment market. For families, Mississauga is home to top-rated schools known for their high academic standards and comprehensive extracurricular programs. The city also offers safe neighborhoods and a vibrant community life with numerous events and festivals. Plus, with convenient access to major highways and public transit, commuting to Toronto and neighboring areas is a breeze. Now let's dive into the steps to buy a home in Mississauga. Step 1. Determine your budget, assess your financial situation and get pre-approved for a mortgage. Knowing your budget helps you focus on properties within your price range. Step 2. Choose the right neighborhood. Research different areas to find one that suits your lifestyle. Consider proximity to schools, work, public transportation and amenities. Step 3. Hire a real estate agent. A local agent can provide valuable insights and access to exclusive listings. They guide you through the buying process and negotiate the best deals. Step 4. Start house hunting. Attend open houses and viewings to find your dream home. Make a list of must-have features and compare different properties. Step 5. Make an offer. Work with your agent to draft the offer letter, set the price, and negotiate terms with the seller. Step 6. Conduct a home inspection. Hire a professional inspector to check for any structural issues, plumbing, and electrical systems. Finally, Step 7. Close the deal. Finalize the paperwork and complete the transaction with the help of your agent, lender, and legal advisors. For first-time homebuyers, here are some tips. Save for a down payment of at least 20% to avoid mortgage insurance and reduce monthly payments. Understand closing costs like legal fees, home inspection fees, and property taxes. Get professional advice from a mortgage broker and real estate lawyer. And importantly, stay within your budget to ensure financial stability. Buying a home in Mississauga can be a smooth and rewarding process with the right preparation and guidance. Good luck.